If you're thinking about where to live, then it's worth exploring the different local areas. But to save you the trouble, I'm going to show you the best places for students in Swansea. Brynmill and Uplands are very popular student areas close to the Singleton Park campus. Here you'll find a wide range of bars, shops and takeaways. Accommodation is mainly flats and larger shared houses which have at least 5 bedrooms. If you're based at Singleton Park campus, you'll be able to walk there in 5 to 15 minutes. Sandfields is another popular student area which is close to the city centre. Accommodation here tends to be slightly smaller with many 2 to 3 bedroom properties. It's a bit further from uni, it will take you around 15 to 20 minutes to walk to Singleton Park campus. But you're much closer to the city centre, which is full of shops, bars and restaurants. Sketty is close to Singleton Park campus and has a good range of facilities. There's plenty of bars, shops and takeaways. Plus, your walk to the university takes you through the picturesque Singleton Park. Accommodation here is mostly 4 and 5 bedroom properties. If you fancy living by the seafront, then the Marina is the place to be. Accommodation here tends to be to a very high standard, but it can be very expensive. There's a choice of 1 and 2 bedroom properties, many with ensuite bathrooms. The Marina is close to the city centre, but it's around a 20-25 minute walk to Singleton Park campus, and you're close to Bay campus. Since Bay campus opened in 2015, St Thomas and Port Tennant are becoming more popular areas with students. Close to the city centre, there's plenty of bars, restaurants and shops. Properties here are usually 4, 5 or 6 bedrooms, and you're not far from Bay campus. Whatever area you choose, the university has a wide range of houses and can help you find the right place for you.